to our channel. I'm Lucy and we are the Tosterman sisters, and today is Stretch Sunday. It's most people's favourite day of the week because we're not doing anything high intensity, we're not getting a sweat on, we're just going to give our body some much needed TLC, stretch out those muscles, and today I'm going to do a little bit of focus on your lower back, your hips and your legs. Enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are doing our Sunday stretch today, and I think we're going to focus a little bit on your lower back, on your hips, and basically just trying to make you feel a little bit more relaxed this Sunday, ready to take on the new week starting tomorrow. So what I would like you to do is actually to come down and lie on your back, on the floor or on your mat. And I want you to bring your knees into your chest. And you're just going to give yourself a very gentle rock side to side. Give yourself a little bit of love this Sunday. And then I want you to slowly bring your knees apart and imagine you're pulling them down towards your armpits, okay? So just let your feet feel heavy and floppy here, but really pull those knees down. And then this might be kind of like a nice enough stretch for you today, or if you want to take it up a notch, let's try our happy baby. So I'm going to reach my hands in front of my knees, but then onto the outside of my feet, okay? And then I'm going to pull my feet to the ceiling and imagine that my shoulder blades are flattening to the floor and my knees are coming down. I can really feel that in my lower back, I can feel that in my hips, hopefully you can too. So you're just sticking with that knee hug in towards the armpits, or you're going for this happy baby. And let's feel super happy, come into a little bit of a rock. I always feel like this is a bit of a strange stretch, but I love it, it feels so nice. Just got to embrace the weirdness sometimes. Nice. And then, if you want to, you can extend one leg, feel that stretch down the back of the leg a little bit more, but that's just an option. And then the other side, and you might find that one side's a little stiffer than the other. And my right leg is always a little bit more like, hey, Lucy, step it. But I still try to feel that stretch. Good. So bring your feet together like a little sandwich, and slowly bring your feet to the floor. You want to make sure that your pelvis is down and really try and open up through those hips. I can feel that we've been doing lots of squats, we've been doing lots of lunges, lots of ab work, which can sometimes, you'll feel that in your hip flexors a little bit. So try and relax into the stretch. I know it's hard, it can feel like you've got a lot of resistance there, but just make sure you take some big deep breaths. And exhale out. Lovely. Then I want you to slowly bring your knees together to the top, and you're just going to windshield wiper your legs one way and the other. Lovely. And then from here, I want you to bring your knees back in towards your chest. And we're going to target our lower back a little bit more now with our supine twist. So what you're going to do is actually bring your right hand over to your left knee. You're going to open your left arm out to the side, and you're going to bring your knees over to the right. Now, you can see here I'm looking at you, but I'm actually going to look towards my opposite arm. So I'm looking towards my left, and I'm going to open up to a T position here. And the aim is to keep your shoulder blades down. And if you feel like your shoulder blades are coming up on either side, then just lift your legs a little bit higher and really focus on the shoulder blades staying low. And maybe you'll feel a deeper stretch by extending that top leg and putting a little pressure on it, but it's completely optional. Nice. I hope you like our living room. Me and Rosie have made it super green and yellow and lovely. It's like my favourite space at the moment. You've got to make the space in your house, you know, somewhere where you want to spend your time. We're just tipping over to the other side now, guys. Especially because we're spending 99.9% of our time in our living room. Me and Rosie thought, let's make it super cozy and yeah, I'm loving all the green leaves and plants and stuff that we've got going on. Nice. Slowly bring those knees back into the middle, and then you're going to extend one leg nice and long, and you're going to extend your leg and hold. Now maybe it's just holding behind the thigh and that's totally enough for you. Maybe you can hold your calf, or maybe you can actually reach for your ankle, and you might find that lifting your chest feels nice, or maybe you want to let your head come to the floor. So just wherever feels comfortable, there's always options, and you just want to feel that nice stretch down the back of the leg. My legs feel super tight at the moment, so I'm very much enjoying this stretch. Nice. You're going to hold for 3, 2, and 1, and release that leg nice and long. Let's do the other side. So bring that knee in. You can either hold behind the thigh, or you can hold behind the calf. And I want you to just hold and pull that leg in. And remember your options. Your head can be down, or you can be up, nice and high, like this. Just go to wherever feels good for you. Enjoy the stretch. Take a big, deep breath in. Exhale out. And let that leg come all the way down. Nice. Then what I want you to do is actually just transition so that you're going to come onto your front. We're going to do a couple more stretches before we finish. And I want you to bring your hands by your chest. Your elbows are back. My gaze is down at the floor. And I'm going to slowly lift into a half cobra here. Nice. And then I'm lowering down. And I'm going to do that a couple of times through, almost like I'm a little wave breaking on the shore. Oh my goodness, how I miss the beach. And I'm extending a little bit more now, all the way to the top if that feels good. Me and Rosie are from Jersey, Channel Islands originally, so we absolutely love the sea. Since we've been in lockdown, we've been a little bit deprived. Good. And then this time you're going to lift, and then your hips are going to come all the way back to your heels. You're going to hold your child's pose. Lovely stretch for the lower back. Maybe your knees are together, maybe your knees are apart. I like to have my knees apart because I like to be able to have a little bit of room for my belly. That's just an option. Little sway side to side if that feels good. Lovely. And then just slowly lift yourself up. Nice. I'm just going to shift myself to the center. And then I want you to bring your hands so they're coming to the lower back. Your fingertips are down, and I'm just going to open up here through my chest and try and squeeze my elbows together. There's absolutely no possibility of them ever meeting because I have super tight shoulders, but if you can get your elbows quite far back then, kudos. And maybe being up on your knees helps you to press those hips and feel a slightly deeper stretch. Just go to where feels good for you, and then slowly release. Roll your shoulders and roll them forwards. Nice, guys. And then I just want you to bring your hands over to your heart. Close your eyes if that feels okay, and just take a big deep breath in here. Exhale out. And one more big deep breath in. And let it go. Slowly release your hands down. You can open your eyes if you have them closed. And that's us. All done. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me for Sunday Stretch. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please do comment below when you are done and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.